Step into the 2018 Kia Forte LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 147 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock and dash, cruise control and external temperature display. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.